How to enable haptics and vibration in silent mode on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, unlock your Android phone and go to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration. The name may vary slightly depending upon your device. Now look for the silent mode setting or similar options. For that, you have to go ahead and tap on sound mode and tap on silent mode. Once done, at top of the screen you will see vibrate on ring. Simply toggle the button on for vibration in silent mode or simply you will get the option for vibrate for notifications. And now, in the same sound and vibration settings, you can scroll down and find haptic feedback or simply haptics and tones. You can enable this option to feel vibration feedback when interacting with the screen, typing, or pressing buttons. Toggle the button on for system haptics. So once you have done that, if your phone doesn't have these options, you can check for an update in the system settings or refer to your device manual for a specific instruction. You can test the settings by sending yourself a message or performing an action that triggers haptic feedback. And that's it. Now you will get vibration for notifications and feedback even in silent mode. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.